What's up everybody, my name is Ivan from the Gearbox. So guess what, if I read this happened, and the problem is that my car hatchback doesn't stay up. In order to change it or to fix it, I need to replace these 16 years old cylinders. So I tried to contact car repair centers and they have been charging me a lot of money, and they say that let me see whether I can fix it myself. So stay tuned, we are going to change it. Boom! I've got these two cylinders, W40 as I told you, kit of screwdriver and this flat screwdriver. So then for security reasons I need to use this piece of metal to protect this so that the hatchback can stay up, and we go on for the change. So here we go. After just protecting this, I have to proceed first of all by removing this right and change this cylinder. Oh my God, look at this. Oh la la. This is not. Look at this. It has been years. I'll be taking this flat screwdriver and then I will remove these seal clips. As you can see, I remove this, and here, upside, I remove this, and then I'll be taking it slowly off. Voila. Here we are. It's up there. Modest one. Measuring like this. Here we are. 54. This. We go. And you have to make sure that this part, which is napping, with no cylinder, it has to be down. So here we go. Cylinder, I have to carefully bring in back the right and then click this stuff inside there like this. Then I took my screws and then Et voilà, c'est fixé. So, thank you for watching. If you feel like you can do it yourself, go and do it. Stop paying money for nothing. This service, you can do it yourself. See you next time. My name is Ivan and the channel is The Gearbox.